Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves. In today's video, I'm going to look a closer at HP 240G9 notebook PC, a compact and a budget-friendly laptop that's perfect for students, office workers and everyday users. Let's first discuss its specification. This laptop model number is HP 240G9 notebook, and it has a screen size of 14-inch LED display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. Inside this, it has a processor of Intel 12th generation processor with 3.2 GHz. It comes with 8 GB RAM and it comes with a Intel UHD graphics, and the hard drive is 500 GB SSD, and it has this very lightweight 7.5 kg around its weight. Very lightweight, not so heavy, not so light. It's lightweight and very portable laptop. About its battery, it has a 3-cell battery, up to 7 to 8 hours of battery life it has. About its design and build quality, this laptop is simple and a clean design. It's look very professional and is made of a strong plastic and feels very solid in your hand. Enough tough, it's budget laptop and it's very lightweight and enough to carry in a backpack all the day. That's make it's great for students or people who need to travel with their laptop. Also, it has an anti-glare coating which helps reduce reflections that you are using under bright lights or sunlight. This makes it easier on the eyes when you are working for long hours. And about its performance, speed and power, inside this HP 240G9 you will find Intel's 12th generation processor, so you can choose between Core i3, i5 or i7, but this laptop is Core i3. Let's check its ports and connectivity. So this laptop has all important ports you might need. Here it has a USB Type-C port for fast data transfer or charging. On the other side, it has 3.5mm of headphone jack, and here is the two USB Type-A ports for connecting a mouse, keyboard or flash drive, and here one HDMI port and Ethernet port RJ45, and it has a power port, and it has also the latest Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and stable wireless connection. It also has a web camera, speakers, and here's the power button you can see here. And this laptop makes it very easy to slip into your backpacks or carry on the go style, featuring a clean matte finish and a full-size keyboard, ideal for typing long documents or emails also. I will write something. Yeah, it's very smooth and responsive keypads, and you can see here the keys are very flexible and smooth. Now the touchpad is very good and fine. You can see the cursor, it's moving. You can see here the touchpad also very good and fine, very responsive. You can see it's responsive very quickly. Let's test its sound quality. Let's play it. Yeah, sound quality also is very good. I really like the sound quality and its performance. This HP 240G9 notebook is a great everyday laptop that gives you good performance, a clean design and a modern features at an affordable price. If you're looking for something simple, reliable and easy to use, so this laptop is definitely worth for checking out. The thing is that this laptop is not for heavy gaming or video editing. This is for daily use for students or office workers. Very light and very portable laptop. So guys, if you have any questions, so please drop them in the comments. I will respond it, and hope you guys like my video. Please drop comments and like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.